Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to locate the Notes feature in Outlook on your PC using the latest update. Whether you're organizing ideas or keeping track of important reminders, finding your notes is simple and quick. Let's dive right in. First, open Outlook from your browser. You can do this by navigating to the Outlook website and signing in with your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar interface with your emails and folders. Next, look at the top left corner of the page. You'll notice 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Click on it, and a sidebar will appear, giving you access to various features within Outlook. Now, scroll down through the sidebar until you find the option labeled Notes. Click on it, and voila! You've entered the Notes section. Here, you'll see all your saved notes neatly organized. You can open, edit, or create new notes directly from this section. If you want to make accessing notes even easier in the future, consider pinning it or dragging it to your favorites for quicker navigation. And that's it. You've successfully found your notes in Outlook on PC using the latest update. This feature is an excellent tool for staying organized and productive. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Outlook and other Microsoft tools. Thanks for watching.